Mr. Ricky Van Shelton. Here he is.
He was sitting beside me in the passenger seat as I looked through the windshield at the quiet little street. He was smiling so proud as he gave me the key. But inside I knew he was as nervous as me. And I said, Daddy, oh Daddy, are you sure I know how? Are you sure that I'm ready to drive this car now? He said, I'm right here beside you, and you're gonna do fine. All you gotta do is keep it between the lines, 'cause it's a long, narrow road. Only the good Lord knows where it leads in the end. But you've got to begin. So keep your hands on the wheel. Believe in the things that are real. Just take your time and keep it between the lines. I was sitting in my chair, I was sneaking a look at him lying on the floor with his coloring book. Then he caught me watching, and he climbed on my knee. Said, Daddy, oh Daddy, would you do one with me? Well, I hugged him so tight as we turned the page. Said, I haven't done this since I was your age. He said, I'm right here beside you, and you're gonna do fine. Daddy, all you gotta do is keep it between the lines. So we finished the picture, put him to bed. Got down on my knees, and I bowed my head. And I said, Father, oh Father, I feel so alone. Are you sure I can raise him? Is Mama gone? And the answers came back so gentle and low, in the words of my daddy from so long ago. Said, I'm right here beside you, and you're gonna do fine. All you gotta do is keep it between the lines. So keep your hands on the wheel. Believe in the things that are real. Just take your time and keep it between the lines. Just take your time and keep it between the lines. Thank you. Miss Tammy Wynette.
Roy Inca. Here he is.
What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning that great speckled bird. Remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. Desiring to lower her standard, they watch every move that she made, for they long to have on in her preaching, but really they find no mistake. How about that steel?
there on the guitar. Gary Martin on the old piano. Joe Buston on the old Stradivarius. Don't forget Opryland Park will open tomorrow at 9:30. The gates will swing open, so be there. Her wings sheltered men from all nations. Of earth every colored and red.